Relative lowering vapor pressure. This is one of the colligative property. We have total 4 colligative properties. Those are relative lowering vapor pressure, elevation in boiling point, depression freezing point, osmotic pressure. So I'm going to discuss directly relative lowering vapor pressure. This introduction and everything I provided my previous videos. You may can see. End of this video we are going to discuss with previous question. Okay, that question they ask in JE as well as NEET also. We are going to discuss that question. Here, this is the solution. Assume this is pure solvent, not solution. It has some own vapor pressure. Every liquid they have their own vapor pressure. That is P naught. When I am taking this is in the form of solution, same component. Assume that one this is A. Now I am adding here non-volatile component B. Okay, non-volatile solute B I am adding. So when I am adding non-volatile solute, previously in the surface area only A liquid molecules is there. That's why they can evaporate easily. Only A. Assume that one here evaporating 200 molecules. Surface area they contain. Now whenever I am adding B, so some of the B molecules also going to be occupy surface area. So number of the molecules of A decreases on the surface area. So evaporation of the A is decreases. So here we will get A vapor pressure but less. Okay. Previously 200 molecules evaporating. Now assuming that one only 100 molecules going to be evaporate. So here more vapor pressure, here less vapor pressure. So this is PS. So P naught is greater than PS. This is the statement. This is true. Always true. This is clear. I am taking non-volatile solute. So here by applying Raoult's law, I am going to give one relationship between relative lowering vapor pressure and mole fraction of solute. So what is relative lowering vapor pressure first? What is the meaning? Very simple. When pure solvent is there, this is pure solvent and this is solution. I am going to be compare that one. Compared to solvent, how much vapor pressure decreases? Compared to pure solvent, how much vapor pressure decreases with respect to solution? That's only relative lowering vapor pressure. I'm going to be compare how much decreases. Delta P they given. Delta P nothing but P naught is the original one, pure. And PS, this is PS is anyway we know that one less than that P naught. With respect to whom? Again P naught. How much decreases is the value? Decreased vapor pressure by pure solvent vapor pressure. The ratio of this is only called relative lowering vapor pressure. And this relation or this ratio I am going to relate it to with respect to mole fraction of solute. By adding more B, how much that decreasing? That going to be decreases. Or we are adding less B, how much that going to be decreases? That's I am going to be calculate. Clear? Even by knowing this relative lowering vapor pressure, I can find out molecular weight of B also here. How that is going to be calculated with mathematical and formula, everything I am going to discuss in this video. Okay. Now we can see here, we got it. P naught is greater than PS very clearly. Yes. Suppose according to Raoult's law, P solution equal to partial pressure of A plus partial pressure of B. We know very well that is here PS equal to PA. PA nothing but P naught A XA I can write. This is from Raoult's law I am taking. And B is 0. Why? Because non-volatile I mentioned here. Very clearly I mentioned non-volatile. Non-volatile means B is not going to evaporate. Only A is there here. Only A, that is. Only A contribution. B is not there. So that's why B contribution is 0. Now we can write here PS equal to P naught A, XB nothing but I can write, sorry, this is XA, sorry. P naught A, XA. XA nothing but I can write XA plus XB equal to 1. You know very well. XA equal to 1 minus XB. Then this is, you can write here 1 minus XB. Now PS equal to P naught A minus P naught A XV. So you can rearrange this is, I can get here PS plus P naught A XB equal to P naught A. A means here, what is the A means? Solvent. A means solvent. So now P naught A XB equal to P naught A minus PS. Now XB equal to, I can get here P naught A minus PS by P naught A. A means solvent. So based on this, we can say that is relative lowering vapor pressure. What we call, sir, compared with respect to solvent. This is relative lowering vapor pressure equal to mole fraction of solute. That's a statement you have to note it down here. So P naught minus PS by P naught. P naught is the pure equal to XB. So this is a ultimately relative lowering vapor pressure. Here P naught minus PS we can write delta P. This is simply lowering vapor pressure. Lowering vapor pressure. But this is not the colligative property. Keep in mind. That's also question is there. Lowering vapor pressure is the colligative property. No, that is wrong. Okay, keep in mind. Now I can write P naught minus PS by P naught equal to XB. XB equal to, I can write NB by NA plus NB compared to Na. Suppose very dilute solution. NB is very less. Okay. Now I can take this is P naught minus PS by P naught equal to NB by Na. So nothing but WB by MB into MA by WA. So you may know that one number of moles equal to formula given weight by molecular mass. So if you substitute in place of NB, WB by MB you have to write like that. By substituting you can get this is. So this is for dilute solutions. So mostly what type of question they can ask? PS they may can ask by giving all the data, or they can ask here WB they may can ask, or MB they may can ask, anything. MA is the solvent molecular weight that is fixed, mostly weight of solvent, maybe they can ask that's also. So like that, by giving values, any one value they will missing, they can ask. Is it clear? Next I am giving other one. By neglecting this is we are writing, this is only for dilute solutions. Okay. Dilute solutions only. Most of the NEET questions we seen, they are applying this the only formula. But we may can see other way also. P naught minus PS by P naught equal to XB. This is, assume that one equation 1. We know that one PS equal to P naught A XA. So I can write here PS by P naught A, or P naught you can take XA. This is equation 2. So I am taking here anyway pure component A, that is solvent. So keep in mind I am taking P naught only. A I am not writing here. A means solvent only, keep in mind that is what. That is P naught only. Clear? Now take equation 1 by 2. What will get here? 1 is P naught minus PS by P naught equal to XB by PS by P naught. Nothing but this is XA. So indirectly you can write here XB by XA. Is it correct? Indirectly you are getting XB by XA. So this is the we are going to be get. So P naught will be cancelled. Then we'll get here finally P naught minus PS by P naught. Sorry, PS, no, this is PS equal to XB by XA. That's we are getting, sir. You may can try on paper also, you will get perfectly. PS equal to XB by XA, nothing but here NB by NA, because total number of moles going to be cancel each other. NB by NA nothing but again you can write WB by MB into MA by WA. Here we didn't neglect anything, sir. You observe that one. NA, NB by comparison, we didn't neglect. So I may can use this is for both dilute and concentrated solutions. You can use for both. Clear? So you can use for both this is. And we may can see here P naught minus PS by P naught equal to XB they given. So XB nothing but I'm going to write NB by NA for dilute solutions already given here. So by converting this is into molality, I may can convert molality. This is NB by Na nothing but WA into Ma you can write. So we are dividing 1000 by 1000 here, nothing going to be wrong here. So this part is belongs to molality. So you can write in terms of molality also, relative lowering vapor pressure, P naught minus PS by P naught equal to molality into Ma by 1000. Clear? So by giving molality also they make an ask relative lowering vapor pressure. Or we may can write whatever in place of molality, I can write in terms of molarity also formula. So we know that on molarity and molality relationship, M into 1000. All these derivations I provided my previous videos. If anyone you need, you may can check it. Density into 1000 minus M into gram molecular weight of, this is B. B means solute, keep in mind. Okay. Into Ma by 1000. So in terms of molarity also they can give relative lowering vapor pressure. Okay, I hope you understood this derivation. You may can check it. For any relative derivations you need to understand, I provided my previous videos, you may can get it. So we can solve one question with respect to this is previous question, check it. So you can read this question first yourself to understanding. So they provided P naught. I hope you can see pure. This is pure benzene. This is P naught. Then this is PS, a non-volatile, non-electrolyte solid weighing 2.175 grams. This is WB. This is I think so added to benzene. Solvent means this is WA. What they're asking here, what is the molecular weight of the solid substance? Means MB they're asking. Correct? So you are writing here everything, every term I am going to be write. Please check it. WB equal to 2.175 grams. WA equal to 39 grams. Then MB we don't know, that's we need to calculate. MA that's already benzene. Benzene weight is 78. Then P naught equal to 640. PS equal to 600. Now substitute in this formula which is we provided here. This is the formula, or starting one we given. So mostly for this is the people they are using formula. We make an substitute answer, we'll get directly. So because all terms we given, nothing is here left. So P naught minus PS by P naught equal to NB by NA, nothing but WB by MB into MA by WA. So we are writing here 600, sorry 640 na given. Yes, 640 minus 600 by 640 equal to WB 2.175 5 by, I don't know MB value, that's I need to calculate, into MA is 78. So marker weight they given here, I think so M WB, sorry MA this is they given, and what is the WA they given, 39 grams. Substitute, you will get your answer, which is MB equal to, solve it, you can get answer here 69.5 grams they given, you can check it. So this is your answer. I hope you understood. If you like this video, please try to subscribe and share it. Thank you very much.